Team coverage right now continues of the coronavirus outbreak. The virus strikes another young child with ties to our state. A student who attends a daycare in Mystic and lives just over the border in Rhode Island has tested positive. Channel 3's Roger Suzanne is joining us live right now. He has more details on what he's learning tonight. Roger.
Well, Mark, you know, the health department in this part of the state has declined to identify the child or even told us their age or their gender, but we know that all of their classmates at that daycare center in Mystic have joined the growing list of people who have been placed under quarantine at home.
Rhode Island child who has tested positive for COVID-19 attends a daycare in Mystic.
Moments after the state's epidemiologist uttered those words, we knew that the coronavirus had struck another child with ties to Connecticut. The health department confirms the tiny victim lives in Rhode Island, but attends daycare here at Precious Memories Place in Mystic.
Fortunately, that facility is now closed, and we're working with the local health department to do contact investigations and making sure that everyone who was in contact with that child is going to be staying at home for 14 days.
That means the parents of students who attend the daycare are being asked to make sure their children are quarantined at home as a precaution, and they've been told to contact a doctor if their child becomes ill. When we reached out to the daycare, they referred us to this statement the owner sent to families earlier today that reads in part, "Although my heart is breaking for the worry and concern you may be feeling, please rest assured that you and your children remain my priority. I promise we will celebrate together when we rise above one of life's challenges. As I respect the level of this health concern, I encourage you all to embrace your time together as a family and make lots of precious memories."
It's inevitable. It's bound to happen. I think it's going to show up in probably every community around the country at some point in one way or another.
Jason Weeks, whose two young kids attend different daycares in the area, admits the positive test is unnerving, but he is reminding his neighbors and his family the best thing to do is remain as calm as possible.
I think the idea or the consciousness of what's happening is to self-contain if you feel ill.
Now, the Department of Health is still trying to figure out exactly how that child got sick. We should mention that daycare has been temporarily shut down while the students are in quarantine. I can tell you, though, we did speak with some parents of some of those students, and they say they are very satisfied with the transparent way that the daycare has handled this situation. Reporting live in New London tonight, I'm Roger Suzanne in Channel 3 Eyewitness News.